Vinyl Windows Farmington Hills offers a range of benefits for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. Our Farmington Hills window experts specialize in custom vinyl windows, ensuring each installation meets your specific needs. With a focus on window energy savings, our vinyl window solutions are designed to enhance your home's efficiency. Energy-efficient windows in Farmington Hills are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our window replacement services in Farmington Hills provide insulated vinyl windows Farmington Hills that help maintain indoor temperatures. By choosing double-hung windows and sliding vinyl windows, you can enjoy both style and functionality. Custom vinyl windows Farmington Hills, MI, are tailored to fit your home's unique design. Our vinyl window contractors in Farmington Hills offer a variety of vinyl window styles to match any aesthetic. From window frame installation to vinyl window customization, we ensure a perfect fit for every project. Window replacement in Farmington Hills is made easy with our team of vinyl window installation experts. We provide affordable vinyl windows that don't compromise on quality. Our vinyl window upgrades in Farmington Hills, MI, include options for window weatherproofing and window sealing services to protect against the elements. Double-hung windows in Farmington Hills, MI, are a popular choice for their classic look and ease of use. Our sliding vinyl windows Farmington Hills offer a modern alternative with smooth operation. Both options are available through our residential window services in Farmington Hills, MI. Vinyl window replacement Farmington Hills, MI, is essential for maintaining the longevity of your windows. Our vinyl window maintenance services in Farmington Hills, MI, include regular inspections to keep your windows in top condition. Trust our Farmington Hills window experts to handle all your vinyl window needs. Farmington Hills window experts MI are dedicated to providing top-notch window glass replacement services. Our vinyl windows Farmington Hills offer a wide range of options to suit any home. With our vinyl window options in Farmington Hills, you can choose the perfect style and functionality for your space. Affordable vinyl windows Farmington Hills are within reach with our competitive pricing and expert installation. Our window installation experts in Farmington Hills, MI, ensure a seamless process from start to finish. Whether you need vinyl window solutions or window frame installation, we have you covered. Vinyl windows Farmington Hills offer versatility and durability for any home. Our window sealing services in Farmington Hills, MI, provide added protection against drafts and moisture. With vinyl window upgrades in Farmington Hills, MI, you can enhance your home's appearance and efficiency.